slip and slide comes to Tierney Drive. Here we are.
Oh, that hurt.
Ooh. Christopher going way back to the corner. Hey, strike. There you go. Oh, that hurt?
Yeah, it hit the ground. Check down the landing, jump.
Ooh, I think you should go head first.
I'm not going head first, you crazy? No.
I would go head first.
Carl with the flip, you know?
I would go head first.
Ow, why is this
Your
so
little,
scared to go head first?
little Pete Rose. Hey, oh, that's kind of bad.
Yeah, that worked well.
I mean, head first. Go, like, right into it.
No! I'm gonna, like, break a neck. Ah, yeah. Break one of my many.
Be like Charlie Hustle. Pete Rose.
Ah!
There you go. See?
Is that good?
I can see him going right into third base.
You're gonna put this in slow motion and blackmail me.
Here comes Chris. Oh! Crunch. I'm going to show your kids someday.
That's what I like to get in the rain dancing.
Yeah!
That hurt a lot.
Alright, that's it for... Oh, one more.
Ow, ow!
Ooh, that was bad.
Success!
Yay! Alright. Good night.